Hi everyone, so I am starting to do the solutions for the May 2024 CSEC Add Math Paper 2. So let's go. So question 1 in the section Algebra Sequences and Series has to do with remainder and factor theorem. So part A, part 1, determine the other linear factors of the polynomial 3x cubed plus 8x squared minus 20x minus 16, given that x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, and this is with 3 marks. So let's do some long division. Okay, so our dividend is 3x cubed plus 8x squared minus 20x minus 16, and our divisor is x minus 2. So let's divide. So first we say x into 3x cubed is 3x squared. Then we multiply 3x squared by x is 3x cubed. And 3x squared by minus 2 is minus 6x squared. Okay, so then we subtract. So of course 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. 8x squared minus 6x squared, and this is why you have to be careful with our signs. So 8 minus 6 will be 8 plus 6, which is 14x squared. So I'm going to bring down the next term, which is minus 20x. Okay, so let's go again. So x into 14x squared will be 14x. So then we multiply again. 14x by x is 14x squared. 14x by minus 2 is minus 28x. Okay, so again, we're subtracting. So 14x squared minus 14x squared is 0. Minus 20x minus 28x. So that'll be minus 20 plus 28, which will give 8x. Okay, and then we bring down our last term, which is minus 16. Divide again. X into 8x will be 8. And 8 by x, 8x. 8 by minus 2, minus 16. And of course, if we subtract this, we will get 0. The remainder is 0 because we know x minus 2 is a factor. So the question says to determine the other linear factors of this polynomial. So if we divided our polynomial by this linear factor, we get a quadratic. We have to break up this quadratic now into the two other linear factors, which means we need to factorize the quadratic. Okay, so let's do this on the side. So the only factors of 3 would be 3 and 1. So it must be 3x and x here. And for 8, let's use 4 and 2. So the 4 can go here and 2 can go here. Right? Because 3 4s are 12 and 2x will give the 14x in the middle. Right? And it's both plus signs. So we have 3x plus 2 and x plus 4 will be the other linear factors of our polynomial. Okay, so let's go on to part 2 for 2 marks. Hence, simplify the multiplication, right? So this is our polynomial from part 1. So we're dividing that by x squared minus 4 and multiplying by x plus 2 over x plus 4. So I know this looks daunting, but since we already broke up our polynomial into 3 linear factors. Remember, this is one linear factor, x minus 2, and these are the other 2. Let us just write over the numerator as the product of those 3 linear factors. So we have x minus 2, we have 3x plus 2, and x plus 4. Okay, so that polynomial is being divided by x squared minus 4. Now, you notice x squared minus 4, of course, is a difference of two squares. So it will be x plus 2, x minus 2. Right? Because remember, if you recall, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b by a minus b. So now that everything is simplified, let's see what we can cancel. So x minus 2, and I'll do it in a different color. X minus 2 in the numerator will cancel with this x minus 2 in the denominator. X plus 2 cancels here with this one. And then lastly, x plus 4 cancels with this x plus 4. So what we remain with will be, of course, 3x plus 2. Okay, so see, that wasn't so bad for 2 marks.